Have a great day. Welcome to Fun with Maths. So here's in front of you another problem. M squared minus 4m plus 8 is equal to 0. X squared plus y squared is equal to what? So here's just in result. Let's write it down. M squared minus 4m plus 8 equals 0. So for this one, this is a quadratic equation. And we can use a quadratic formula to find the value of m. But before that one, we are going to identify the values of a, b, and c. So for a, that is 1. For b, that is -4. For c, that is +3. And then the quadratic formula is m is equal to -b, positive, negative, square root of d squared minus 4ac 1 over 2a. And now let's substitute the values. So that is m is equal to negative times -4, positive, negative, square root of d squared, that is -4 squared, minus 4 times a, that is 1, times 2, that is 8. 1 over 2a, that is 2 times 1. And then next is m is equal to negative times -4, that is +4, positive, negative, square root of -4 squared, that is +16, minus 4 times 1, that is 4, times 8, that is 32. 4 over 2 times 1, that is 2. Then next is m is equal to 4, positive, negative, and then square root of 16 minus 32, that is equal to -16, 4 over 2. And the next is m is equal to 4, positive, negative, square root of -16, that is equal to 4i. Because the square root of negative, or the -1, is equal to I. 4 over 2. So for this one, we can have two answers. First m, for the m1, that is equals 4 plus 4i over 2. For this is equal to 4 divided by 2, that is 2, plus 4i divided by 2, that is 2i. So for m1, that is equal to 2 plus 2i. This is our m1. And for m2, we have m2 equals, we have 4 minus 4i divided by 2. And that is equal to 4 divided by 2, that is 2, minus 4i divided by 2, that is 2i. So for m2, we have 2 minus 2i. And now, since we have the values of m, let's go back to our problem. The problem is, we are going to find the value of x squared plus y squared. So for this one, x squared plus y squared, now let x squared be equal to our m1. So that is x squared equals 2 plus 2i. And then since this is squared, we are going to insert a squared also. Then equals 2 squared, that is 4. And then 2 times 2 times 2i, that is plus 8i. And then 2 squared, that is 4, times the value of I, which is -1, that is equal to -4. So we have 4 plus 8i minus 4. This will be cancelled. So we have remaining ai. So from the value of x squared, that is equal to 8i. Now, moving on to y squared. Let y squared be equal to our m2, which is 2 minus 2i. And same, we are going to put a squared, and that is equal to 2 squared, that is 4. And then 2 times 2 times negative 2i, that is negative 8i. And then negative 2 squared, that is positive 4, times the value of I, which is negative 1. So it will be negative 4. Equals this 1, 4 minus 4. This will already be equal to 0. So this will be cancelled. So we have negative 8i. So the value of y squared is equal to negative 8i. And now let's go back to our problem. X squared plus y squared. So since we have the values, now we can just add the 2. So that is 8i plus negative 8i. Or that is equal to, this one will be subtracted. That is equal to 0. Therefore, x squared plus y squared is equal to 0. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. And for more videos, subscribe to Fun with Maths.